Hey, this is Brad Gill, NextHome Lifestyles. Welcome back to another edition of Broker's Corner. Today I've got a really important topic. Have you ever heard the saying that in real estate, your success will not exceed the level of competency you possess as a real estate agent? Well, I think that is extremely critical to anyone in this industry to think about and ponder. The reason being is that if you want to operate your business at the highest levels within the industry, then you have to invest in the training and the education to become an agent that operates at that level. This is of course true across all professions, but especially in real estate. The inconvenient truth is the fact that the average agent gets so busy on day-to-day operations. Busy with showing houses, busy meeting clients, busy writing offers, busy working on transaction management that they just don't have the time to add continuing education into their schedule. Just like any professional at the top echelon of their industries, if you truly want to master your career, become the expert advisor, and make a lasting impact in the lives of your clients, then it's an absolute necessity to make continuing education and training a cornerstone of your daily and weekly business operation. I also think that it's extremely important to have an open mind every day and be open to learning opportunities. I've been in real estate now going on 18 years, and I can tell you that every single day, if I have an open mind, there's a new lesson to learn. In fact, it really amazes me that there's so much opportunity to learn new skills, to learn about new niches, to learn different things, new housing laws, what's happening with the market. There's so much depth and broadness to the real estate industry that every day, if you truly apply yourself, there's so much information you can learn. But you've got to keep your mind open to it. You've got to have that student for life mentality so that you can make sure that you're open to those opportunities that are going to help you raise the bar and the level of service that you offer to your clientele. So I guess my advice to you today is to always have that student for life mentality. If you're not currently making the time within your schedule to have room for training and education, be sure that you do. Because again, if you truly want to reach the top limits within our industry, then you really do have to become an expert. But to become an expert, you've got to take the training and invest the time necessary to become one. I'm Brad Gill with NextHome Lifestyles. Thanks so much for watching another episode. Please remember to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon.